I think I should be welcoming myself back to my channel because it's been so long that I haven't uploaded a single video. I got this mug, yay! And I have put up all pictures of my girl gang, 4 of my really close friends. A big shout out to them. I love you guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So I think I should be welcoming myself back to my channel because it's been so long that I haven't uploaded a single video, but I am so happy to be back finally. So those of you who are seeing me for the first time and do not know who I am, hello, my name is Isha and I make videos related to makeup. I do fashion hauls. I have a few singing covers on my channel, so I do basically like each and everything, little bit of everything, because I feel like it's always good to explore different kinds of things, you know. So that's what I really like doing. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do take a moment and do subscribe to it. And those of you who already have, thank you. So coming to this video, this haul is going to be Amazon haul video, as the title suggests. So I don't have anything specific to show you guys. They're like really random things that I ordered from Amazon recently. I have a few clothes, a few outfits, a few accessories, then a few I just recently ordered a few items for my room, like room decor stuff, which is amazing. It's beautiful and very cute. You guys are really gonna love it. So yeah, like really random things. Now I really love Amazon as a shopping website because I think it's one of the best shopping sites that you can ever have. I think for 2 main reasons. I think number 1 being you get like anything and everything on Amazon, you know. It's like you name it and it's there, you know, from like furniture to books. Then you have like kitchen appliances, like, you know, room decor stuff, like clothes, shoes. There's like so electronic appliances. There's like so much on Amazon, you know. You have like everything. So you have anything in your mind, you don't know where to buy it from, just go to Amazon, you know. It's that great. And yeah, I think number 2 being it's every item on, at least most of the items on Amazon are super affordable, and they are priced at such a reasonable cost. It's really affordable, and I think that's what most of us look for nowadays, especially me. I am not somebody who will buy something just because it's branded or just because it's expensive. I believe in buying like good affordable products. Okay, so without wasting further time, I'm gonna quickly take you through this video. So yeah, I hope you guys stick with me throughout the video because it's gonna be super fun. So if you want to know more, then please keep watching. So the first outfit that I'm going to show you is one of my favorite outfits that I ordered from Amazon, and I think it's so beautiful. It is this white dress right here. It has these spaghetti sleeves kind of things. I don't know what exactly you call it. And this is in the size small. The price and everything, I'm going to be inserting the screenshot on this site so you can check it out. Now one little thing that I was sort of confused about is that when I was ordering it, even you can see it, as you can see in the screenshot, in the picture she's wearing a grey color dress, and in very tiny letters, you know, it's written white, you know, under the dress. So I wasn't really sure about that. I did not read that white over there, so I thought it'll be a grey dress. Now I do not know. So when it came, it was white. So you need to make sure that you read the color because the dresses are all grey that she's wearing. Even if you swipe, they're all grey, even though different colors are written below it, you know what I mean. So you want to make sure you read the color down so that you know exactly which color you are ordering. So I am really happy that it's white and not grey. Actually, I don't want grey, so I'm super happy that it's come in white. So yeah, it's basically, it looks like this. It has these cute little buttons till the end. The length, it's not knee length, neither is it very long. I can probably say it's 1 inch more than knee length, so it's not too long, neither is it too short. I think it's one of those perfect dresses that you can just put on and get out of your house if you're going to the mall, or if you're just going to meet a friend, or if you're going to a cafe. I think it's super casual and very cute, so you guys must go for this dress. Okay, so now the next one that I have here is this plain kurti. It looks something like this. It's pink and it has a little bit of white design. It's a short kurti. I actually didn't have any kurtas. I either have like you know, really heavy dresses and Indian suits, or I either have nothing. So I wanted something in between, something very casual that I can just put on and get out of the house. And so this is a perfect casual kurta. The material is cotton. It's super comfortable and it is so lightweight. Like I said, you can wear this in the summers also. And so this is in the size, I don't know, they haven't mentioned the size here, but I am assuming it is probably small or medium, but I think it is small. And yeah, it has like these cute little buttons over here, and it's knee length, so it's super perfect. You can wear it like over jeans, or you know, over any leggings, white leggings or something. It looks super perfect. Okay, so the next one is one of my favorites. Trust me, I have been looking for a pair of jeans since, I don't know, months now, and I haven't really found the perfect pair of jeans. Now I am so happy that I have finally found one, and I did not even dream that I would find it on Amazon. Now when you're shopping for jeans online, usually it's very difficult, you know, because you don't know the exact size. Sometimes every brand has different, you know, waist sizes and everything, so it's very difficult to shop for jeans online. So I was just like, you know, let's just give it a try. You know, I don't know, let's just see how it turns out to be. And it actually turned out to be pretty good. Now these jeans are basically the flare type jeans. Now I don't know much about fashion and the terms, so I don't know what exactly you can call it, but it's like those flared jeans, which, you know, like flare at the bottom, like palazzo kind of jeans. This is what they look like. It is an amazing pair of jeans. Now the material, I won't say is the typical denim that we get. It's a little thin and lightweight, but that's what I actually like about this. You know, you don't really feel like you're wearing those jeans as such, because when you wear jeans you do feel a little heavy, right? But you don't feel heavy when you wear these, and trust me, I am super happy with the results. It fits me perfectly. Now when you all are buying these kind of jeans, so this is like a high-waisted jean, okay? So do not measure your lower waist size. Like, make sure you measure it from here, you know what I mean, because you're going to wear it like on the higher part of the waist, so make sure you do that. Okay guys, so that's it for the clothes. Now I have a few accessories. I ordered a bunch of jhumkas that you guys are going to love because they are so cute. Now I got like 4 jhumkas in a packet, or in a single packet. Now all the jhumkas are perfect, except the only problem with them is that, you know, these danglers at the end, in 3 of the jhumkas, 1 dangler is missing. So that was a little bit of a disappointment to me, but although it does not make such a difference when you wear it, but still, you know, I mean, why would that be missing? I mean, the jhumkas are so beautiful. If that wasn't there, I would have given it like 10 on 10. So anyway, so let me just show you how they look. This is the first pair of jhumkas. So these are super cute. They are multicolored, so it can go on anything, like, you know, it can go on the pink kurta that I showed you, or it can go on like red, blue, green, whatever, because multicolored earrings go on like everything, right? So this will actually go on everything. So this is like this go-to kind of a earring, jhumka, that you can wear on any kurta or any Indian. Then the next one are these white color ones right here. So these are also super cute. They are like white ones, so even white practically goes on everything, so you can wear this. It's very cute, except for that one thing missing, but can't help it. And then these turquoise blue ones, they are so beautiful. If you have like a blue color, a kurti or something, it'll look so beautiful, because these actually look very beautiful. I love turquoise blue color, so it looks really nice. Then I have these black ones here. Actually, all of them are the same. The only difference is that these danglers are different colors. So yeah, they're super cute, and black is something also that goes on everything. So you can wear it over a black kurti or even on white, those of you who like doing contrast and not matching things. Then I have my favorite pair of jhumkas. I just recently bought this yellow color dress for Diwali, and I was looking for a pair of yellow earrings. I love to go all like matchy, you know, I love doing matching things. So I am so happy with this. Although I read the reviews of these earrings and I was like, do you really think you want to buy these? I'm not very sure, but I was like, let's just give it a shot, you know, because there were no other good yellow earrings. But I am so happy with them, you know. I don't know why they've written such reviews. This is what it looks like. They are super cute. I love the paint and everything. It doesn't even look cheap, you know. I mean, the paint quality and all. Okay guys, so that's it for the earrings also. Now I have something very random to show you guys. Like I mentioned, it's a very random haul. So before I show it to you guys, let me tell you that I am a huge Friends fan. Okay, Friends in the sense the American series Friends. I love that series, you know. It is something that I can never get bored watching it. I've like watched it like thousands of times over and over again. So I got this mug. Yay! It looks so cute. I just love the print. It has all the 6 characters over here, and right below is written I'll be there for you, which is the title song of the series, and it's very cute. I love the material. Honestly, I wasn't expecting the materials to be so good, but it's super great, and it's very sturdy and nice. Okay, so the last few things that I have to show you guys is a little bit of room decor that I ordered for my wall, for my room wall. I thought it was necessary to remove all my old frames and pictures of, you know, because it was so old, and it had like the quality and the material of the pictures had become really old, and even on the frames. So I thought, you know, let me just take all of them out and order for something brand new. So I'm going to quickly take off those things on the wall. I don't know if you can clearly see it. I'm going to take it off right away, and I'm going to show it to you all. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just removed all the stuff from my wall that I ordered from Amazon to show you guys. Now like I mentioned earlier, I am a huge Friends fan, and I had to go for this, what I'm going to show you guys. I mean, how could I not buy it? It was a love at first sight when I saw this that I'm going to show you. So do you have any guesses? It's very basic, but it's so cute. It's this very cute frame right here. It has all the 6 characters, and it's so cute. I just love this picture, and it has this small little calendar over here, this strip of calendar of 2020. So it's actually useless because the year is ending, and also the year was really bad, but anyways, it's a beautiful frame. I just love this one. However, I was expecting it to be a little bigger. I actually was so mesmerized by just looking at this on the website that I forgot to check the description only. I was like, add to cart, you know. So that's why I did not look at the description and the size. So I was expecting it to be like this huge frame, but it's okay. I really like it. However, it's a little dark. The image is not very bright, so you will have to put it under a light or something so that, you know, the picture is a bit more brightened up when you're looking at it. So yeah, otherwise it's a very cute frame, and if you guys are really looking for a frame, there are a lot of such frames available on Amazon, but I found this one to be the best because all the other ones were very common, you know, like the typical one. So I just wanted a very different picture, and this is actually a very unique picture of the series. Like, you won't, I don't know if most of you have even seen this picture, so that's the reason I went for this. So you guys should definitely buy this one. It's super cute. Okay, so now I have like these 4 small little frames with me, wall frames. I really wanted frames because I wanted to like insert some really nice quotes and some really positive sayings in them. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty small. I actually wanted small ones only, I didn't want too huge ones, and there are 4 of these. Now the size of this is, it's 6 by 6 inches. The inside one is 4 into 4, and the outside one is 6 into 6, so it's pretty small and cute. I think I really wanted to insert those small sayings or something. I'm not sure about what I'm going to insert in them. So yeah, super cute. I love the material. It's not very bad. This is not exactly glass, I think it's plastic, but nevertheless I think it's pretty good. And even the black borders are pretty good. They don't have scratches or anything, thank god. So they are pretty great. Yeah guys, you should definitely go for this one. I'm going to insert the picture so you can check it out, and the price and everything. It's not very pricey. I think even this one is below 500 or something like that, so you can have a look. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to show you is this very beautiful wall hanging. Now it basically looks like this. I haven't removed the pictures because it would be a huge task to put them back, so I was just like, let me show it to you guys like that. How does it even matter? So this is what it says. It says friends, and I have put up all pictures of my girl gang, 4 of my really close friends. A big shout out to them. I love you guys. So this is what it looks like. There are like 1, 2, 5 strings, rope strings. It's made up of rope, and these clips with it, they come along with it. There are like 20 clips I think, and they have given 2 or 3 extra clips, so you know, if one of them goes wrong or you know, gets spoiled. Now the clips are of not a very good quality because they are they can tend to break, so you want to make sure you handle them carefully, you know. So otherwise all of it is pretty good. Even the ropes, the strings are pretty you know, nicely distant from each other. They're not too close, so that you know, when you put the pictures, it doesn't look very close and cramped up, you know. It's nicely far away from each other, so it looks good. Now on each string I have put up like 4 pictures, although you can put up 5 because that's the amount of clips that you've got, like 20 clips. But I thought, why not just put up 4 because then 5 would look like very close to each other and cramped up, you know. Then I ordered these very normal random fairy lights. Actually I wasn't able to get it anywhere close to my house because there was either a problem in the length or the color, and I really wanted like yellow fairy lights, you know. However, this is off-white. Yeah, I did not expect it to be off-white. When I remember I clearly selected yellow, but I don't know why it has come in the off-white thing, but off-white color, but it's fine, it's not that bad. So I basically, the whole and sole reason for ordering this was because I wanted to put it up on the frames and on this one as well. Like I wanted to like just, you know, let it just dangle down these frames so that it would look really illuminated and beautiful. So that's the whole and sole reason I bought these. So if you are not getting it next to your house, even though it's quite easily available next to your house, but you can order it online also. It's pretty good quality. And yeah, okay, so that's about it guys. I hope you liked whatever little bit I had to show you guys. I told you it's a very random haul, nothing specific. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want to buy anything of these products, do check the description below because I have linked all these products in the description box below, so you can just click on the link and get directed to the page directly. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was helpful to you all. If it was, then please do give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and do leave your comments in the comment section below on what kind of videos you would want to see next. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys are safe, and I hope you guys have a great day or an evening. I don't know when I'm uploading this, but anyways, I hope all of you stay safe, and yeah, that's it. So bye bye. I will see you in my next video.